Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. I have some couscous, I have some chicken thighs. This is their wild mushroom couscous, and then chicken thighs are in the fridge. I'll show you guys. I got some savoy cabbage, some carrots, and I'm going to be using some chicken broth to actually make the glaze and boil it, so I'll give it some flavor. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright, so here's my Instant Pot. You want to use the saute button, and then basically I got my chicken here. I'm going to saute it with some herbs and everything. I got all my herbs set up right here, as you can see. Those are all going in. Put some mustard, all that neat stuff. So stay tuned, guys. I'll be right back. So the chicken's all seasoned. I'm going to add the chicken broth, and I'm going to add some water to it. I'm going to let it cook, and then we're good to go, guys. So stay tuned. So as you can see, it looks really nice right now. The couscous is going in next. Why? Because you want to make sure the water is enough, and then you want it to reduce, or else it's not going to cook thoroughly throughout the boiling. So, and then you will have to reduce, because if you don't, it's going to be really soupy. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so it's all done here. I'm just going to do a quick taste test. Here's some of the quinoa right there. Couscous. It's really good. It has a lot of flavor. It's got, yeah, it tastes really good. The mustard really flavors it really well. If you love mustard, you'll like this. So, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post them below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.